Achoo! Achoo!
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Here's a quick way to get your cat to come over. Tried this on 2 cats.
Oh, hi, Harvest. What you doing? What was that? Hi. Aww. Hi.
Look on the ground. On the ground. Look.
Miko? What are you doing? It's not for doggies. Pizza is not for doggies, bud. I'm sorry.
You're such a little petunia.
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you're never coming round. Every now and then I get a little bit tired of this.
I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings. Mommy had to clip your nails. I had to cut them. Look, let me see. Can I see? Look how much better they look. I'm sorry, but now they look so much better. Yeah, he got his cut too. Are you mad at Mommy? Are you mad at me?
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Look it. Got some cress. Look. Yeah.